Wow, we're finally here. This place feels calm already.
Yeah, finally. My legs feel heavy. Sitting for hours was hard.
Same. My body is tired, but my mind is still awake.
That always happens when we travel.
But look at this lobby. It's big and quiet.
Yeah, and the lights are soft, not too bright.
I like that. Bright lights make me more tired.
Same. This feels comfortable.
And the smell. Ah, it smells clean.
That fresh hotel smell.
It makes me feel a little better.
Me too. But I still want to lie down soon.
Okay, let's check in first.
Yeah, before I sit here and fall asleep.
Good afternoon.
Hi, we have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Emma White.
Here are our passports.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Great, thanks.
So, our room is 608.
608. Okay,
It's on the 6th floor.
that sounds easy to remember.
2 key cards. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
And breakfast is included.
Oh, really? That's nice.
Yeah, hotel breakfast is always good.
I love hotel breakfast.
Breakfast time is, let me think.
Hmm,
I think she said 7 to 10.
7 to 10. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Are you sure?
Why?
I thought she said 8.
8?
Yeah, 8 to 10.
Oh, maybe.
My ears are tired.
Yeah, mine too. Everything sounds slow right now.
Long trips do that.
My brain feels soft.
Same. Very soft.
It's okay. Morning is tomorrow.
Yeah, we can ask again if we need to.
Right. No big problem.
But we should remember the breakfast time.
Yes, that's important.
Very important.
Especially when it's free.
Exactly.
So, the elevator is over there.
Okay, let's go up.
6th floor, room 608.
608. I'll try to remember.
Don't worry. I'll remember too.
I hope so.
Trust me. At least until breakfast.
Finally. This room feels quiet.
Yeah, very quiet. I like that.
The carpet is soft. My feet say thank you.
Mine too.
Okay, let's put the bags here.
Yeah, just drop them. I'm too tired to organize.
Same. Everything can wait.
Wow, look at the bed.
It looks big and clean.
Clean is the best word right now.
True.
I just want to lie down for 1 minute.
1 minute. Sure. That's a lie.
Okay, maybe 5.
Go ahead. I'll take off my jacket.
This bed is soft.
Don't fall asleep yet.
I'll try. No promise. So, what do you want to do first?
Maybe a shower. I feel sticky from the trip.
Yeah, good idea. You go first.
Okay, I won't be long.
Take your time. I'll just rest my eyes.
Just your eyes. Sure. Wow, the shower feels nice.
Yeah, I can hear the water. Sounds relaxing.
It really is. Hot water helps everything.
I need that too.
I'll be out soon.
Okay.
All right, your turn.
Nice. Thanks.
I'll sit here for a bit.
Don't fall asleep.
I'll try. I'm thinking about tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yeah.
We should wake up early.
Early? For what?
For breakfast.
Oh, right. Breakfast.
Yeah, hotel breakfast.
You really care about that.
Of course, it's part of the experience.
True. And it's free.
Exactly.
So, what time was it again?
I'm not sure.
I thought it was 7 to 10.
Yeah, you said that.
Didn't you hear the same?
I heard something like 8.
8.
Yeah, 8 to 10.
Oh, now I'm confused.
Me too.
Maybe my ears were tired.
Same. I was thinking about sitting down.
Me too.
It's okay. We can ask in the morning.
Yeah, that's easy.
Or we can just wake up early.
Early is safe.
Exactly.
Okay, early it is.
But what is early?
Maybe 7?
Or 6:30?
6:30 sounds painful.
But safe.
True. Missing breakfast is more painful.
See? You understand.
Okay.
Let's set an alarm, just in case.
Good idea.
I'll set mine too.
Double safety.
Exactly.
The shower was great.
You look more awake now.
Yeah, a little.
Still tired, though.
Very tired.
Maybe we should just rest tonight.
Yeah, no going out.
Agreed.
Tomorrow we can walk around.
After breakfast.
Of course.
Okay, let's relax now.
Yeah, just a quiet night.
Quiet sounds perfect. It's very quiet now.
Yeah, almost too quiet.
Maybe we can turn on the TV.
Just a little, for some sound.
Yeah, not too loud.
Okay, here.
Oh, there are many channels.
Yeah, news, sports, movies.
My brain can't handle fast talk now.
Same. Everything sounds too quick.
Let's find something slow.
Yeah, slow is good.
Oh, wait.
What is it?
This voice, it sounds calm
Yeah, very slow.
and clear. I can understand it.
Me too. That's rare when I'm tired.
Look, it's an English channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the words are simple.
They're speaking slowly.
I like that. It doesn't push my brain.
Yeah, it feels gentle.
The channel name is From Me to English.
From Me to English.
Interesting name.
Yeah, it sounds friendly.
The voice isn't loud.
And not fast.
It feels like someone is just talking to me.
Not teaching, just talking.
Exactly. You don't need to hurry.
Huh, I like that sentence.
Me too. It feels right.
Especially now, in this room.
Yeah, after a long trip.
The sentences are short.
very short.
That helps a lot.
My ears don't get tired.
And my head doesn't hurt.
Same. I'm not trying to study.
Yeah, just listening.
No pressure.
No notebook.
No thinking too much.
That's nice.
The voice sounds warm.
Yeah, like a real person.
Not like a robot.
Exactly.
Oh, they're talking about daily life.
Simple things.
Things we know.
But in English.
And I can follow it.
Me too. Even when I'm tired.
This feels different.
Yeah, usually English feels heavy.
But this feels light.
Like background music.
But with words.
Good way to say it.
Maybe this is a good way to learn.
Without trying so hard.
Just listening. Again and again.
Slowly.
Like tonight.
In a hotel room.
Hey,
Yeah?
do you remember the breakfast time?
Again?
Sorry, it just came back to my head.
I think it was 7.
Or 8.
Oh no, not again.
Okay.
Let's stop thinking now.
You're right.
We set the alarm.
Yeah, we're safe. Let's keep the TV on, just like this.
Low volume.
Yeah, very low.
It helps me relax.
Me too.
Okay, just listen.
Just listen. Leo, wake up.
Huh? What is it?
What time is it now?
Wait, let me see.
My head feels heavy.
Oh, it's 8:45.
8:45? Oh no.
Yeah, 8:45.
Breakfast. Leo, breakfast.
Oh no, breakfast.
Didn't we set the alarm last night?
I think we did, but I didn't hear it.
Me neither. I slept too deep.
Same. My body didn't move at all.
Wait, what time does breakfast end?
10, maybe.
Or 9?
Oh, please no.
My heart is beating fast now.
Mine too.
Okay, don't panic.
Yeah, stay calm.
Let's just get ready, fast.
Fast sounds good.
I'll wash my face very fast.
I'll change my shirt.
No shower now.
No shower. Later.
Shoes. Where are my shoes?
Under the bed. I see them.
Okay, phone, wallet.
Key cards. Don't forget the key cards.
Got them. Let's go, now.
Elevator. Come on.
Why does it feel slower today?
Bad timing.
Ground floor, finally.
Okay, walk fast. Don't run.
I'm trying. There, the restaurant.
I see people inside.
That's a good sign.
Very good sign.
Excuse me.
Hi, is breakfast still open?
Please say yes.
Yeah, please.
Oh, the staff is smiling.
That looks hopeful.
I think we might be okay.
Maybe. Just maybe.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Oh, she's nodding.
Yeah, I see it.
That's a yes, right?
I think so. I really think so.
Good morning.
Morning.
Is breakfast still open?
Yeah, just a little late.
Oh, yes.
She's smiling.
She's smiling a lot.
That's a very good sign.
You're just in time.
Did she say just in time?
Yes, she did.
Oh, wow.
We made it.
We really made it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, really.
My heart can relax now.
Same. I was so nervous.
Okay, food.
Yes, food first.
Wow, look at all this.
Eggs, toast, fruit,
And pancakes.
pancakes. Oh, yes.
I'm getting pancakes.
Of course you are.
And some fruit to feel healthy.
Good balance.
This place smells amazing.
Yeah, warm food smell.
Much better than panic smell.
Definitely.
This pancake is soft.
Really?
Yeah, very soft.
My eggs are good too.
Hotel food always feels special.
Even simple food.
I'm so glad we woke up.
Me too. Even if it was late.
Imagine missing this.
Oh no, don't say that.
Lesson learned.
Yeah, next time we listen better.
Or we ask again.
Exactly.
This feels nice.
Yeah, quiet morning.
No rush now.
Just eating slowly.
You know, last night on TV,
The English channel?
yeah, from me to English.
Oh, right.
I liked how slow it was.
Me too. Very gentle.
Like this breakfast.
Slow and warm.
It didn't make me tired.
Yeah, it didn't push.
Just talked.
Like a real person.
Maybe English should feel like this.
Calm and easy.
One small sentence at a time.
No rush.
Okay, I think I'm ready for the day now.
Me too. After this breakfast.
Today will be slow.
And that's good.
All right. Let's finish eating.
Yeah, and enjoy the morning.
Thanks for listening with us.
We'll see you next time.
Take it slow.
And enjoy your English.